Hey everyone, today we'll be going through a quick demonstration of doing a drywall takeoff inside Togal.AI. It starts by clicking the toggle button up at the top of the screen and clicking go. This is our auto trace tool that will trace your walls and areas for you. We can direct it if we wanted to take a look at just net areas, which is every one of these rooms being traced individually and inside the wall. We can remove what we don't need, as in these staircases and elevators, even shaft walls, and we can hit Control A to select all. I can then right click on it and change it to drywall ceiling if it's all getting the same. If these corridors or any of these other lobby areas are getting something different, we can still right click on that and change it to whatever type of information we want. We can call it gyp ceiling 2, make it a completely different color, direct it to give me area, perimeter, or even custom formulas to figure out how many sheets of drywall we need. But when we click save, that's all we're doing is just reclassifying that information. And of course, we'll see that information over here as far as total square footage for what's in pink, total square footage for what's in light blue, as well as with the pink one I have how many sheets of drywall I need included as well. Next, we can take a look at walls. Walls are done two different ways on Togal. There's wall center line, which traces the center line of every one of these walls. So if we wanted to calculate square footage for both sides of the wall, we can. I can just click and drag my mouse to select them. And I can right click and reassign this something as in, party wall with drywall both sides. We can get the length, square footage for one or both sides. We just give it a height, whatever that may be. So you can do it as quickly as that. Or we also do these wall perimeters, which is both sides of every wall getting traced out for you. So similarly what we did with the areas, we can click and drag our mouse to select these hotel rooms here. I'll grab these as well as those, and then I can right click and change those to something they already have some drywall set up for. And based on what's there in blue, I can see over here on the right, this 9-foot drywall, length, area, sheet counts. You can even write in custom formulas to do production rates in here. Now going back as far as removing things, again, I can just select what I don't need in here. Delete it. And then we can start to just select different things on the inside, as in all these bath areas here. I can click and drag my mouse to select just the bathrooms, not the showers. I can right click and call this whatever we want. I've got a 9-foot green board in here, or MR board, as some may call it. We can do things like that. The corridor, we can change to, we got a 12-foot drywall, 10-foot drywall, whatever we want to do there. It's that quick and easy to start reassigning information. I have a keyboard shortcut where I can just press Control L, which means last classification. So the very last thing that I used, we can just reassign there. Now, not forgetting all the showers here, and I can click and drag my mouse. If it's fully encompassed in this select box, that's going to be what gets selected. I can hold down Shift and grab the rest of those showers and do the exact same thing. Call it, it's 9-foot green board, 4-foot green board, and stack some drywall on top of it, whatever you want to do. Okay. Last piece of the puzzle right here. Looks like I missed one bathroom, so I will just change that last one to the green board. And there you go, drywall takeoff done. In just a few minutes, we've got length of these different walls, square footage, sheet counts over here, production rates, as well as areas for them all. So if you'd like to see a custom demonstration on your set of plans, by all means, go to our website and book a demonstration and send us your plans, and we'll walk you through everything on here.